Hey guys, WBTreece here from WBTreece Consultants and WBTC3.com. I'm going to show you in under 90 seconds how we find site visitors all across the nation that are trained, certified, and active in their field. Go to this website that we partner with called CCPIA.org. That is the Certified Commercial Property Inspectors Association. Click on this yellow button that says Find an Inspector. Put in the address that you need an inspector, or at least the town. We were asked recently about Pensacola, Florida. Broaden out your search. It should come up with 5 to 10 names of inspectors. What you want to do is find somebody who doesn't just run a home inspection business, but looks like they also run a commercial business. So to me, the names that would jump out are Bourne Inspections and Consulting, Sensible Inspections, L2 Insurance Consulting. I actually met Tim Thrasher last year through this exact process, so I'll pull up his website quickly just to show you. Make sure it looks like he's active. I'm going to look at his certifications, his qualifications. I'm going to give Tim a call. I'm going to make sure that he knows the scope, that he's taken his requisite trainings, and then he can follow a train of thought in whatever project I'm going to give him. Then we're going to communicate over email. I'm going to send him a project engagement letter, send him out to the job. Check out ccpia.org for a list of trained, qualified commercial professionals in your area, and contact us at WBTC3.com to manage your national projects. Thanks again.